Want to export your video in full 4K quality from CapCut? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to render your project in high quality using the right export settings. Let's get started. Once you finish editing your project in CapCut, click on the Export button at the top right corner. Here you can rename your video and choose where you want to save it on your computer. Now go to the resolution setting and select 4K or 3840s 2160. After that, choose your bitrate. For better video quality, it's recommended to use a higher bitrate, especially for 4K videos. Next, choose your preferred codec and video format. MP4 with H.264 usually works best for most platforms. Now set your frame rate. If you want smoother motion and better playback quality, select 60 FPS. Once everything is ready, click on Export and wait for the rendering process to finish. After exporting, you can open the video properties on your computer to confirm that the video was rendered in full 4K quality. And that's it. That's how you can export 4K videos in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.